Hey guys, I just wanted to take a minute and tell you both how much you mean to me and how much I love you guys. I am so excited that it's wedding week, it's almost here. All of the hard work that you guys have put in and all of the stuff that everybody's done, the shower, the bachelorette party, bachelor party, like it's all led up to this moment. I am so happy for you guys. I'm so happy that God brought you guys together because we all know that you guys are just meant to be. You were made for each other. Here we go. Not surprised, and I know you're not surprised. I am so honored to be standing next to the both of you on the most important day of your lives. I love you so much. There's nobody else that I can think of that is more deserving of this than you guys. You give everything that you have to everybody that you know. And you just do it without even realizing that you do it. And it's amazing, and you just pour out so much love to everybody that you meet, and now it's time for us to do that for you. So sit back and relax and just enjoy this video and soak in all of this love that we all have for you. And I cannot wait to see where life takes you, all of the babies that you give me to love on, and all of the memories that we make together as the years go on. I love you guys.
Tori and Dan, we are so excited for you guys. Tomorrow is the start of a whole new life together. I will be honest, about a week ago I was very upset because I was thinking I was losing a daughter, but I've realized I'm not losing a daughter, I'm just gaining a son. You got anything to add, dear?
Since the day you were born, I knew this day would be here. Couldn't be more happy.
Congratulations to both of you.
Hi Dan, hi Tori. It's the night before your wedding. Woohoo, last night of being single, and for the rest of my life, you guys are gonna be married. I'm so happy for you guys. I hope that God smiles on you. Marriage is the ball, right on?
It is. We've done it for a long time. We got it down. No, we don't.
With God's help.
But anyway, Dan and Tori, we love you both. We know you're going to make a great marriage. You've been through a lot already, and you've had a lot of practice with the hard stuff. Now, this next bit is going to be different. It's going to be irrevocable. And you will do fine with it.
Yep. I wish you both the best.
All right, Dan, you're all right. Tori could have done better, but like, I would never said she couldn't have done better. So like, you're all right. You better keep her happy. You've done a good job so far, but keep going. You got a couple more years to do that. I'm happy for you guys. I'm excited to be here today to watch, well, tomorrow technically, to watch you guys, finally do this. Been waiting for a while. You took your sweet time actually proposing, but we were all expecting it sooner or later. Your truck doesn't make it bigger. I want you to know that. It's a big truck. Tori, whenever he's acting out of line, just know, like, you're in charge. Don't forget that. If you need anything, always there for you. I love you guys. So stay happy. No matter what happens.
I love my smoking hot future wife, I might add. I'm so proud of you, and I'm proud of everything you've done in the last couple of years that we've been together. I literally cannot wait to make some babies, because that'll be just awesome. We're gonna have awesome kids. I mean, you've already been like over the top and everything with me and making sure I'm okay and taken care of. I will always take care of you no matter what happens. I love you till the day I die. Tori Marie Drzewiecki. Love you.
Yeehaw! Hi Dan, I love you so much. I can't wait to marry you tomorrow. Oh my god, I'm getting married tomorrow. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. I would do anything for you. I love you so much. God bless America.
Hey Dan, Tori, congratulations on your wedding day. We love you. Hope you guys have fun on your honeymoon. Do lots, having fun. Do some drinking. Cheers.
Dan, you don't know how lucky you are to have Tori. Don't forget it. Love you guys.
Love you.
Dan and Tori, I just want to say I love you guys so, so much. I can't believe today's here. Honestly, I remember talking about it like 6 months ago. And I just think it's gonna be the most special day of your lives, and I love your guys' love. I hope that someday I find that too. You guys are my best friends, and I love you so much.
We're so happy to be a part of your special day, and we are happy to be, you know, your friends, I guess. But seriously, you guys are the best friends ever, and we love you, and are so excited to do life with you, and watch you guys raise a crazy toddler like this one day.
So yeah, I can't wait to be growing up together with some crazy kids and stuff, and doing some crazy outdoor activities. You guys are great together, and yeah, congrats. I'm excited. Let's drink lots of beer, have a lot of good memories.
Love you.
Hi guys, just wanted to say congratulations, and I love you guys so much. I'm so happy you guys found each other, and I know you guys will make each other so happy, and I just can't wait to see what the rest of your lives brings. I love you guys. Congratulations.
Hey Dan and Tori, I don't have anything to say except what's already been said. Remember the stuff that I told you. Do you like the bow, by the way? It fell out of the practice bouquet. But I love you guys. I'm so excited for you. I'm huge Dan and Tori fans. I love to see this happen and this come together. And it's just a bright spot in the kingdom of light. So God bless you guys. I will be here for you if you ever got questions, bump up against anything. Give me a call. All right, love you.
Hi you guys. Congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Drzewiecki. Your wedding was absolutely beautiful. Connor and I had a great time. I want to thank Shelby for getting a hold of me to say something for you guys, and naturally it happened on one of my adventures. So I just want to say, Dan, I've known you for a better part of a decade. You've always wanted a house with some land, to get your truck finished, and a good woman. I think you got all that checked. Tori, you have done nothing but make this man happy, and who wouldn't love that? You've made a great home with him. I'm so happy for you guys. And Dan, she's getting half the truck, so it's time to make her a baby. But I'm so happy for you guys. Congratulations, and I wish you the best.
Hey Dan and Tori, can't say enough how much I love you both. So happy everything's working out. Can't wait to celebrate with you guys. But of course, by the time you see it, that'll already happen. So cheers to the rest of your guys' life. I'm so happy you guys found each other, and cheers.
Love you guys.
Welcome to happily ever after.
Best
wedding
ever! Woo! We love you guys.
All right, I just want to say congratulations, Tori and Dan. We love you guys, and I wish you guys the best of luck, and I can't wait to continue to do our annual traditions that we have every year, and I can't wait to start new ones with our future families as well. I love you guys.
That was perfect. Yeah, we love you guys, and best of luck. I'd love to give you marriage advice, but I'm just a wifey in training. And we love you so much. Congrats.
What up? You guys are f***ing married! What is up? How's your honeymoon? Like, let's go! Mr. and Mrs. Drzewiecki! Just sticky wicky! Alright. I'm so happy for you guys. Your wedding was absolutely amazing. I do not think that it could have been any more perfect for the two of you. Archer's happy for you. He wanted to say, what's up, congratulations. He also wanted to thank Bentley for the treats because he said they were so yummy. But I wish you guys a life of happiness. You are so perfect for each other. I'm so glad to see one of the people that helped me become the person that I am today marry someone who is caring and kind and smart and funny and a handyman around the house and who loves to eat Tori's yummy cooking. Anyway, I love you both and I wish you a life full of happiness and positivity, and I know you guys are going to conquer the world together, and I can't wait to see what this life brings you and watch you guys grow old together. I love you both. Mwah.
Tori and Dan, I'm really excited for you guys. You guys are meant to be together, and Dan, you better take care of my girl. She's like a sister to me. Love her. She's family, and I wish you guys a lifetime lifetime of happiness. Love y'all.
All right, Tori, so it's officially the night before your wedding. You still have a few hours to decide to change your mind. Just saying. No, but for real, I'm so happy for you both, and I can't wait to see you get married. You're gonna be a beautiful bride, and I'm gonna be all waterworks, and I love you. And Dan. He's okay.
About to cry right now?
No, I was gonna.
Hey Tori, hey Dan, it's your girl. Currently getting ready for your wedding, dyeing my hair, trying to look all bougie. I'm so happy for you guys, and it happened. You guys are married. Next stop is babies. I'm very happy for both of you guys, and please always love each other, and please always be honest. You know, just because you guys are married doesn't mean you become someone different. So please always remember that. I love you guys so much, and I am so happy that you guys found each other. Even though it started off as not wanting to find each other in that way, wink wink, I'm happy that you guys ended up together, and you guys are a beautiful, amazing couple. I can't wait for you guys to have some babies, and I want to be little Auntie Char. So have fun on your honeymoon. Love you guys, and always cherish each other. Charlotte out.
Hi Tori and Dan, I'm so excited for you guys to be getting married tomorrow. It's gonna be such a fun day. I am honored to share my birthday with your anniversary. It's gonna be a great day. God bless you guys, and I can't wait to party with you guys. It's gonna be great.
All right, Miss Tori Fantine. Well, actually, can't call you that after today. I'm so happy for you and Dan. I never imagined that so soon we would be, you know, at each other's weddings experiencing the other one find the love of their life. We've been friends for so long, and you've been my little rebel friend, and I could never imagine us growing up to be adults and get married and find the love of our lives and our dream homes and dream dogs. But I'm so happy for you and Dan. I love him to death. He's a great guy and definitely perfect for you. I'm so happy about you, Quad, so we can go riding together. But I cannot wait. I'm on my way to your wedding right now, and I'm so excited. It's so weird, and I have goosebumps, but I can't wait to see your beautifulness walking down the aisle and marrying the man of your dreams, Tori. You did great. Congratulations, and I love you so much. Mwah.
Congratulations, Tori and Dan. We hope you enjoyed the video. This is a couple weeks after. As you can see, we got the puppy. Congratulations. Hope you guys have a long, fulfilled marriage.
I love you guys so much, and I'm so happy that we were able to spend your special day with you. And Miss Rona says congratulations too. She loves her Aunt Tori and Uncle Dan. Wish you guys the best ever, and we're so excited to do life with you guys. Love you.
Tori and Dan, this is a cheers to you guys and a long, fulfilled marriage.
Love you.